Hey there guys, welcome back to another Brick City video. Today I am going to be showing you the most annoying Lego piece ever. Okay, so this came with actually a set I just recently bought because I figured I'd try out this light brick. I bought it just for this so I could just review this, see what it sounds like. It is really annoying. It sounds like someone just stole from like a grocery store and the alarm went off and they can't catch a criminal, and so someone just stole some goods. So yeah, this is don't like it. Over here, yeah, you got the fire truck that uses it, and it's actually a pretty cool set, but man, that's annoying. Imagine if the batteries went out and this went off in the middle of the night. Wouldn't be good. But yeah, I got this set, and actually surprisingly, there is a lot of cool details in this set. I figured I might as well just show you while you're here. But yeah, that's the annoying piece. I don't know, what do you guys think about it? Let me know what you think in the comments. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we are into it now, and yeah, time to show you some details. It's actually really, I was skeptical about this, the Downtown Fire Brigade, because it's $100 and you get a building that's burning down and then kind of a ugly fire truck. I really don't care for it that much because it has this big trailer. Ugh. But I will show you guys this. This is one cool, see it's certain. You squish this little thing and right here, watch this when you do that. Look at that. Here, I'm gonna move the camera over so you can see that I'm not touching the fire piece at all. Okay, watch this, see, I didn't even touch it. They really thought about the kids. What they would like when they created this, because if I was a lot younger, I could definitely imagine playing with this for hours, just trying to put out all the fire. So now I'm going to show you guys a cool feature here. It starts right over here with the crane. Just going to adjust where the camera goes. So how this works, or it doesn't work, just how they fantasized this, Lego did. You pick up the porta potty, there's someone sitting in there, and so yeah, you pick that up, and you can swing the arm over, and when you do that, that happens. And I was like, that is pretty cool. And also the cool thing too is if I don't touch that crane, it is balanced with weights back there. Not really, it's just Lego blocks, but that's what it's supposed to do, and actually it balances out really well. Maybe it is actually supposed to be for weights, but yeah, you don't have to touch it. And I like how they use these Technic pieces here because it actually holds this top on, because if those weren't there, well, this is what happens. Yeah, not that fun. So yeah, this set's really cool. I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit on the inside. All the little details are pretty cool, like all these little pieces of fire, they all just come right off. And like you could put these little pieces of fire like right there, just right there on the ground. They did that so you could also just blow these out from the windows too. This set also comes with 7 figures. I definitely like the 7 figures. And so now if we just go to the back of this, this is the whole mechanism. Literally, this is built so you can just have fun putting out fires in a old burnt down building. I guess you could put any type of, I don't think you could, well actually, look at this. No, you couldn't. You can't put those in there. But you could slide these in there, and that's how I was able to put them out. They just fall like that. So there's definitely not the coolest of stuff. You can see there's like almost like maybe paint rollers, like this was under construction. Maybe this welder hit like a, man, what would you call it? Maybe a propane tank, and this whole building went up and it's being engulfed in flames. And how this actually works here, if I just do it in slow motion, this lamp, I'm having trouble getting this over here. This lamp, oh shoot. This thing is big and awkward. Oh dear. Let me fix this. Alright. Okay, time to retry this here. Okay, try number 2. So how this works is this lamp comes over, and when it comes over, it hits this little air conditioner unit, I guess right here. As it does that, as it hits it, it brings up all the flames in the building, which is kind of a cool thing. And then yeah, when you shoot the fire, it kind of puts it out. So yeah, I wasn't going to go too much into detail on that. Another interesting piece that I've never seen before until this set is like this little area where you can just shoot out these little bullets. Or not bullets, but rather maybe a water cannon. But anyways, I thought that was kind of interesting. It doesn't work the best. Yeah, but it's interesting. So yeah, I don't want to bore you guys too much with this. I'm going to show you one more thing before I go, and then yeah, we'll just wrap this up. This is also the same type of thing, how it works. And of course, LEGO always just has to throw in a motorcycle and helicopter. I probably have like 50 helicopters that look like this because they just put helicopters in just every single set pretty much. Getting tired of it. Yeah, so here, I'm going to just show you the details on this, because I actually think this set's worth your money. This goes up like that. I don't like here how this doesn't quite connect. I don't know why it doesn't, but this area lifts up here. Got some stuff in there. No idea what those blue things are, but I know that's like an oxygen tank. And then yeah, these things go down for like supports when this truck is moving. There's 4 of those. One here, and then 2 here. So, yep, I think that'll about do it for the set today, guys. I also want to ask, please subscribe, hit that button, turn on notifications, follow me on Instagram at BrickCityYT, and yeah, if you just subscribe, like this video, because it does help with the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, I think that'll be it, guys, and turn post notifications on. Thank you, and have a nice day. Peace out.